Hello guys, today we are unboxing Dye Chica. Wait, what do you mean? I'm not wearing a frame freshener mask. Anyways, time to unbox it. That was weird. Those guys are cool. Here, Chica. Okay, got Dye Chica out of the box. Now we gotta deal with the annoying plastic stuff. Okay, it's okay, Dye Chica. Some of your limbs totally won't come off. Totally. That's usually what happens. Okay, that worked the first time. But now, yeah, she broke apart. But now we gotta put her back. We're gonna put her back together. You know what? You guys cannot see this because it won't work. What? This is annoying. This is kind of annoying. Anyways, while I'm putting this together, I will explain. I will tell you where I got it from. My mom got it from Five Below. My brother, he got like some helicopter RC car thing. And like, we're gonna play some board games. So there, we got Chica together. Now we're gonna give her a cupcake. Okay, there we go. Pizza? You are now dead. The facility is taking me away.